Before going into this, like, what was your idea of being a solar technician?
It wasn't on my radar at all. I've always had a fascination with electricity, how it works, and just wanting to understand it. And that's what kind of brought me to the training academy, is wanting to learn more about it and possibly be an electrician. So the electrician program is really, like I said, opened my ideas to the solar program. The bulk of the solar industry is dealing with electricity. The electricity is being produced by the solar photovoltaic system. So really, I just need to learn how to maintain those systems that they have. So the electrician program has really taught me, it's given me the basics of how electricity works. So now I just really, as I go into the solar maintenance program, I'm going to be learning how just to maintain the systems they have.